Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, my channel. It's Monday morning, half asleep, gotta go to work. So, this is just a quick, short little spiel on anybody that's going into the trades industry, whether it's auto body, welding, mechanical, any of that stuff. Your best friend when buying tools is sale. Sale at Canadian Tire, KMS, Apprentice Auto, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. You can find some really good stuff on there. But this only pertains to anybody that's in Canada, not the US. I know in the US they have different like places. I think it's like Tractor Supply. I'm not really sure, but you'll probably get tools there too. Yeah, so that's all I know. So yeah, anything on sale, grab it. You don't need to spend $2,000 on tools right away. Your basic essentials, ratchets, wrenches, metric, 10 to 15 mil. You need impacts, you need a lot of things. So there you go. That's my advice for today. Have a good day.